Yo, first order of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This one is $8 going about 3.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, this one, I think is taking me across the river actually. This one is a Starbucks, $10 going 6.5 miles.
Morning.
Morning. For Carly?
Yes.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Sure.
Trying to catch my cat.
Oh no.
Thank you so much. You need a picture?
Let me double check.
Okay.
Yeah, you won't be in it.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, have a good
Yep,
day.
you as well. I should really start carrying cat treats. I think I might start doing that. Wow, the very first order that I get from DoorDash, I didn't take, but the one that they offered me is a McDonald's going 12 miles. Next order up is going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is a Starbucks going about 5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $8. Next up is a high mileage stack going to 2 different people. Oh, and it's 2 different restaurants. Got Mr. Maple Donuts and Red Leaf Organic Coffee. These 2 are going about 9 miles. Thank you. You too. Morning. Yep, there you are.
Yep, have a good one.
You as well. Not sure why, but DoorDash just decided not to show me how much I got paid for that, so I'll throw it up for you guys here, but I've got no idea. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $8 going 4 miles, 4 items. I'm a little iffy on one of the items. Try to guess which one I'm talking about. We've got a loaf of sourdough bread, some pesto sauce, ricotta cheese, and some chips.
Without barcode, please scan it now.
You might have to. Wait, this one? Weird. Here, try holding it up to here really quick. Sometimes that one works, but sometimes it doesn't.
Welcome. If you have your club card, 49. 4.
Yeah, I figured it was going to be that sourdough bread. It's just too early to have them out. I mean, at least we got all the items. Still not getting full pay because it was a substitute. Also, they almost did not get that pesto because the only little jar they had was at the very top back of the shelf. Had to use some like chopsticks to pull it out. Been sitting around for a little bit, But I got the next order. This is a Chick-fil-A, $7, going just under 3 miles. Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $8, going 2 miles, 3 items. Is it bad that I considered this one? They just tried to give me 2 different shop and deliver orders for 2 different targets. It was $50 going 35 miles, 6 items total. And they looked like easy items too. The mileage was kind of crazy and it was taking me across the river pretty deep. So I think that's the only reason I didn't take it. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is $7 going 3 miles.
2 bags for Zana here. Perfect, the food and the drinks. There we go. Thank you very much.
Hello, thank you very much.
Have a good day. Next up, we got a Taco Bell going 3 miles.
Right there it is.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that one was $6 and change, and I'm just gonna call it here. I'm over it. Every single light for the past 2 orders, every single one was a red light for me. So I just wasted so much time just sitting around. Current time is 9:14. Total will be up on screen right now. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.